Divide 11010 base 2 by 10 in base 2. This is a problem involving binary division. So we are going to use our long division method in dividing this. So we have here 11010 base 2 divided by 10 base 2. This is called the dividend, while this is a divisor. So in dividing binary numbers, there are two rules you need to put into consideration. Rule number one, when the dividend is less than the divisor, and when you divide, you write a 0 at the quotient. 2, when the dividend is greater or equal to the divisor, you simply write 1 in the quotient. So we are going to apply these two rules in performing this division. Now the first digit here is less than 10. So 1, if it's less than 10, you write 0. But since 0 before a whole number is not necessary to put the 0 there, so we can begin with this 1 1. All right, so 1 1 divided by 10. So 1 1, 11 is greater than 10. So when you divide, the rule says you write 1 in the quotient. Step 1. Step 2, you multiply 1 times 10, that will give us 10. Then you subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. It's not necessary to begin with a 0 for a whole number. So the next step, you bring down the next digit, which is 0. Now when you bring down, you divide 10 divided by 10. So the rule says when they are equal, you write 1 in the quotient. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 1 times 10 is 10. Subtract. This will give us 0. So we bring down the next digit, which is 1. Remember I said it's not necessary to begin with a 0 for a whole number. So when you bring down 1, you begin the division again. 1 is less than 10. So 1 divided by 10, since it's less, you write 0 in the quotient. 0 times 10 is 0. When you subtract, you're going to be having 1. So the next, you bring down this digit, which is 0. Take note that you don't bring down two digits at a time. It's digit by digit. All right, so now we have 10 divided by 10, which is, they are equal. So you write a 1 at the quotient. 1 times 10, which is still 10. Then you subtract. You're going to be having 0. Now there is nothing to bring down again, so you cannot write that there is no remainder here. So conclude by saying, therefore 11010 in base 2 divided by 10 in base 2, and the quotient is the solution, which is 1101 base 2, and this is our solution. Thank you so much for watching this video.